It was a long time when I have posted a video about plants, and plants are such thing that brings happiness in our life. So why not plant and more plant? So the first cute plant is red dianthus. I think this is must have plant. The beautiful thing about this plant is obviously its color. There are lots of variety in dianthus, maybe pink, white and sometimes shaded. But this one is really cool. The another is red white petunia. So as I told, in dianthus there are lots of variety of petunia as well, and the one that I like, it is this one, and there are some other colors such as dark red. But the thing about petunia that this is very delicate plant. So if you are planting this as a beginner, so the best thing is to plant it in its correct season. And the another most important thing is the correct amount of water and correct amount of fertilizer, because even if you are trying to give it more fertilizer, in case it cannot survive. And the most important thing that you have to note is, uh, I have lost my one petunia plant because due to the great sun rays. So this plant takes sun because of it cannot survive without it. So it's most important to give it 2 to 3 hour sunlight. It is enough for it. Don't throw it in sunlight to burn itself. So this one is most important thing. You have to take care of this plant much better than the previous one. So make sure you are caring your plant very well. The another thing which is most important after the rain, I think you don't need to give it so much water. This one is also important if you actually want to protect it, because in case it will become very wetty type of plant. So these are two colorful and cheerful plant. I think everybody should plant them in their house, and it will bring lots of happiness for you. So let's get start.